What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back on the video. We're already set up. It's probably about 8 o'clock, maybe 8:30. We are making some sales, we are making some money. How much you asking on this?
$5.
I don't know if I exactly recorded the guy finding it, but I was looking through a bunch of items, right? They're bringing the boxes out, and this guy brings out a box because people carry out people's like vendors boxes so they can look at the box first. So I didn't even get a chance to look at it first, but he pulled out a box and it looked like random stuff, but then he pulled out a Super Nintendo in there. Like, come on. And he only got charged $10 for this Super Nintendo. Like, holy crap. He had the controllers, the cords for it. It obviously could not just work. Whatever. He paid $10 for it though. Super Nintendos are expensive, even for parts alone. Well, he probably made 4 times at least if it doesn't work. But if it works, that's like 10 times plus his profits. You know, that's pretty crazy. I missed out. Oh, how much on the games?
$5.
How much on the controllers?
Those are $10 each.
All right.
That stuff right there.
Thank you. You have a good day. All right, I got one of those controllers. I was 15 for both of them. He didn't want it. So that controller's probably broken. That's why I didn't really want to buy it. It's probably stick drift. It might not be. That's why I would have spent $5 on it, made my money. This controller feels like brand new. Like, you can tell when you feel a controller. How much is the controller? Are you selling these controllers separate, or all these go with this?
Yeah, I'm trying to sell it together, Papa.
All right.
Yeah.
How much you selling together for?
50.
All right. You got $3 in the game? GameCube games are always cool to buy. This one wasn't crazy, but GameCube games are always good finds. If you ever see a GameCube game for like $3 to $5, usually just buy it. This one sells upwards. If it was sealed, $50 would have been crazy, but I think this is like a $15 to $20 game unsealed, so we'll take it. It's got the manual, it's completed. Not a bad buy. Would you go 15 on this controller?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Do you know if this PS3 works?
I don't know anything about it, Papa. I don't test it.
That's all right. He's asking a reasonable price though. $50 is fair. I saw this upwards of like $150 on eBay, so that's fair. If that worked and I knew that worked, I would have cleaned it up a bit. This isn't too big of a deal, I don't think. I can make my money back for parts like if I truly needed to, and this is not that good of a controller, but it really does look good. You can tell like the triggers look barely used. These aren't like worn down at all. This doesn't, like, same with the triggers, these aren't worn down at all. This is kind of dirty from being a storage unit probably. I just have to test it. I got some weird stuff today, guys. We got controllers in the game. Today wasn't too good so far. There was a chance of raining this morning last night, so I guess people just weren't showing up as much today. Literally half the stalls today are freaking closed. Literally half, maybe even more than half. I don't know. Look at all this. This is gone. What the heck, guys? And today's a smaller flea market. On Mondays, it's smaller than Thursdays. Like the whole market, it's not as big. They don't have as many booths open. And even as this small of a flea market, it's still halfway full. Like, it is not a good day today. But fortunately, we were able to make a couple of sales, like some money in some sales, and then also we're helping my dad make some money, so it's a win-win.
Is this your stuff or his?
It's his stuff, the guy next to the trailer. I'll show you guys a couple of our stuff. We got a bunch of random stuff. We're trying to sell, we're trying to make the money out of it. We made our, obviously put everything good on eBay, and the rest of the stuff comes out here. Try to move as fast as we can. Sell it. Maybe dump it after. We'll see exactly what happens at the end of the day. But would you like the sandwich you made so far today, Dan?
Would I like to? Yeah.
We got total so far?
Let's count.
Oh, he's gonna count right in front of us.
1, 3,
Yeah.
4, 6.
He probably already knows. He's
7,
trolling right now.
9, 11. You see how I'm not even good at counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 400.
Right there.
500. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. $3. 19, 20. That's another 400. So that's 900 and like probably 14 bucks. Huh? 5. Sure. But that is because I sold the toolbox. The toolbox was from several units ago.
Oh, okay. That wasn't from the unit. But that paid for the unit almost.
All this right here, all the new stuff was from.
Yeah, this is all from the unit we found $500 in cash from, and then we also sold the toolbox for $350. Right? So
$340. We sold several.
That almost paid for the unit right there. Just that one toolbox.
Thank you. We've sold the Dysons for $170 a piece.
We still have some brand new stove, like a $900 stove. We still
right there.
Right there. We got.
There's a couple items that sold for a lot of money. I can't think off the top of my head, but I got my money back.
Got the rugs too.
One item.
We got our money back in cash to the unit. Dollar sale, dollar sale, dollar sale. Y'all bought this for $1. Let's see. What else can I get for $1? All the reach here. There's like VCRs are really like, I don't know. There's always money, but they're annoying. Like they have to work, and a lot of times they just won't work, and then you'll have to deal with it, complain if they don't work. This I paid $1 for. I freaking have no idea how much it's worth. This is definitely worth more than $1, huh? It's like a brand new like a 4 or 5-in-1 little board game set. I mean, it's not crazy, but I'll make some money on it. No way I don't, right? Come on now. We are done at the flea market. We are done. I don't think I ever made a clip just leaving, but we finished. We took all the best items because we had a lot of the nice newer items we just wanted to try out. We did sell a couple of nice new items, but we're headed out to the warehouse right now, and I'll keep you guys updated. We have about all this stuff back here we gotta put on our eBay shelf and pack a little bit. We have, what you say, 35 eBay packages, 30 eBay packages.
30 eBay packages on top of our 55 whatnot.
We got Uncle Chris over there doing whatnot right now. He had to do 50 packages, like 55 for whatnot. We like to do it the next day, straight up. We had our whatnot sale yesterday, packed it the next day, out today. It's a few days later from when I went to this flea market. It's about like 4 days later. I didn't actually record an outro, but we're at the warehouse right now. We're here. About to go actually move a storage unit. So you guys, not a little sneak peek, but I'm letting you guys know we get a nice little storage video soon. But if you're watching this far, thank you so much for being here. That means you watched my whole freaking video. I say it pretty often, but you watched my whole video. Thank you so much for being this far. I really do appreciate that. And we're out of here.